Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. DJI just announced a brand new event scheduled for January 23rd, 2018 called Adventure Unfolds. This is likely going to be an unveiling of a brand new DJI drone. Talk on the web is that it might be something called the Mavic Air. And taking a closer look at the image in the invite, that shape there at the bottom appears to be the top of the new drone. It's more curved, more aerodynamic, implying it would be faster. Also, the line that extends off to the right there appears to be one of the arms. Taking a closer look at the title, Adventure Unfolds, to me implies that this drone also has folding arms. Putting all these elements together leads me to believe that this is a drone that will be positioned somewhere in between the Mavic Pro and the Spark. And hopefully, if it's a faster drone that is maybe more maneuverable, that also has a good camera quality and the range of somewhere in between the Mavic Pro and the Spark, this would fill an important space in the DJI drone lineup. So now I'm going to go over information I found about the Mavic 2. In no way am I saying that this is what will actually be the Mavic 2, but this information is based on what sounds to be pretty reliable sources. In fact, the source of this information is the same person who correctly predicted the concept design for the Zenmuse X7. So in this first photo, it doesn't convey much of a difference between the current Mavic Pro. However, I think that is an important point because the form factor of the current Mavic Pro is pretty darn ideal. Now I also want to convey that the source of this information is available in the link in the description, so check that out if you like. In this photo, it clearly depicts that there will be rear-facing sensors. And in this last photo, my favorite photo, it clearly depicts a larger camera, which is great news because one of the main limitations of the current Mavic Pro is the small camera size, affecting the quality of your images, of course. In the bottom left of this image, it shows that it's going to be a 1-inch camera sensor, which is 4 times the size of the current camera, which would put it on par with the Phantom 4 Pro. Alright guys, so that is it. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit that like button. We've got a lot of other videos coming up too, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well if you like. Thanks for watching. Happy flying. Bye.